Prognostic significance of D-dimer levels in predicting severity and mortality in COVID-19 patients, a comprehensive analysis. By Neeraj Chavda, Suresh Jain, Bhagirath Solanki, Chetan Sonkar, Simran Arora, Sukriti Shah. We track Tejani, Jyot Kaur Chawla, Mukesh Chaudhary, Ravi Chaudhary and Amal Kumar Bhattacharya. Aim and objective. The study aims to evaluate the relationship between D-dimer levels and COVID-19 severity and mortality. Materials and methods. The study retrospectively analyzed the patients, age about greater than equal to 16 years, having confirmed the diagnosis of COVID-19 along with or without comorbid conditions. Pathological and radiological characteristics of 2087 consecutive cases of COVID-19 in Paral Sevashram Hospital, Vadodara, Gujarat, from March 2021 to July 2022. Correlations of D-dimer level of COVID-19 patients upon admission with disease severity and in-hospital mortality were analyzed accordingly. Graphically, MS Excel with median values were used. Results: 2087 patients having positive RT-PCR and confirmed diagnosis of COVID-19 were included upon hospital admission. Whereas 65.78% N is equal to 1373 were male and 34.21% N is equal to 714 were female. The mean age was 52 plus or minus 4 years. 319 patients died during above said period and overall, the in-hospital mortality rate was 15.28%. Initially, patients were kept on NIV and then shifted to a ventilator based on SpO2 level and continued monitoring. Additionally, 6.08% N is equal to 127 of patients were on BiPAP and OPEP and all died with a 100% death ratio. None of the intubated patients, 5.60%, N is equal to 117, were survived. The median elevated D-dimer level was 600.5 ng/ml throughout the study. 81.5%, N is equal to 1701, patients were found to have elevated D-dimer levels, and 19.5%, N is equal to 386, patients were within the normal range. The median D-dimer level in non-survivors, 15.29%, was significantly higher than in survivors, 84.71%, N is equal to 1768, RR 24.69%. Furthermore, the disease activity was higher in the overhead D-dimer level group, demonstrated to have anticipating value in differentiating disease severity along with high ESR level, HSCRP, and the fibrinogen level was also appraised, indicating the seriousness of the disease. Conclusion: it was concluded that D-dimer level was routinely uplifted in patients with COVID-19 disease and significantly matched up with the severity of the disease. D-dimer is a significant definitive prognostic first-line marker with twice as high on admission than normal range in COVID-19 and indicates the seriousness of disease. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.